This is Nick with Build Brothers Roofing. Started my digital inspection at 18218 Paradise Valley Road, space 121. We are on top of an architectural asphalt shingle roof. This is a fairly low slope roof, which means that we will be using an upgraded underlayment on this project. But I want to point a few things out. So again, architectural asphalt shingle roof. Right off the bat, we can see, and I'm sure the video will kind of pick this up too, just how shiny this roof is. So essentially what's happening on this property is the oils on this asphalt shingle have evaporated essentially. So as those oils evaporate, the granules deplete, and you can see how all these granules are just washing off of the product. Once the granules deplete and all that shiny fiberglass is exposed, the waterproofing is greatly affected. So this is a telltale sign that the product has gone well past its life expectancy. You can see just how loose everything is. We've got some ripped shingles over here, a ton of damaged shingles throughout. You can see all these ridge caps are completely worn through at the moment. And then we've also had some repairs done, so you can see we have some different color shingles on this roof as well. I want to point this section out. Looks like there's been a ton of repairs done on this dead valley, which is understandable. So water just kind of sits in this area. You can see where all these leaves just sit. What I'll want to do more than likely is have my crews go ahead and TPO this valley, and then we'll go ahead and install the shingles on top of that, but we'll keep the valley with the TPO material, which is a commercial grade product. It's a flat roofing product. Turns that entire valley, that section of the roof, into one singular membrane. The rest of the roof is going to get tore down to the wood decking. We got to get down there to address any kind of bad wood that is on this structure. Wood repair is always that unknown variable, so we won't know until we tear the roof off to see how much wood is going to need to be replaced. But again, you can see just how damaged this product is. All that fiberglass is completely exposed. We're going to be resealing, reflashing all these penetrations as well. We'll go ahead and paint those penetrations to match whatever color roof we end up going with. Also, we got a couple of DirecTV satellite dishes, another old one over there. So we're gonna need to figure out which one is being used and which one is not, so that we can remove them. When the satellite dish is reinstalled, we really want the dish to be installed on the fascia board. We do not want them penetrating our roof. You can see that they went ahead and just drilled directly into the roof itself, and then they went ahead and applied some sealant, but that sealant wears pretty quickly. So that's not what we want to see. So again, this roof has gone well past its life expectancy. We're going to be tearing this down to the wood decking. Once that's torn off and all that wood repair is replaced, we're going to add a brand new drip edge along the entire perimeter. Drip edge is this piece of metal flashing, and it allows water to run off that metal as opposed to running off the wood itself. Okay. Once that is installed, we're going to be replacing the felt underlayment that is underneath this roof right now with a synthetic underlayment. We're an Owens Corning preferred contractor. That synthetic underlayment is part of the Owens Corning roofing system, which means that this roof will come with a 50-year warranty from Owens Corning, and that will go along with a lifetime workmanship warranty from us over at Build Brothers. Once the synthetic underlayment is installed, again, we're going to reseal, reflash all these penetrations. We'll go ahead and install the architectural shingle on top of that, depending on which color we end up going with. And then we'll go ahead and paint the penetrations to match. At that point, the homeowner will have a roof that they won't have to deal with for the next 35 plus years. Over at Build Brothers, we do everything in-house. All our roofing crews are in-house, solar crews are in-house as well. So anybody who shows up to this job will be licensed, they will be insured, and we'll make sure that everything is taken care of. We will also have myself as a project manager on site during the job, just to ensure that everybody has everything that they need. That is it for my inspection.